Hello. Today I will show you various input forms in Active Table Editor. The most basic is table form. Here it is. Let us change the input type to record. Here is the record for and it is empty. Let us show Form Designer. On the right, you can see the list of available objects. By combining various objects together, we can create quite complex forms here. Saving form. And here how the form looks like once design is completed. Let us change form type again. Here we can easily switch from table view to record view. This is the most popular and useful input form. Another form type is a vertical grid. It can be used as property editor or as an editor for very wide tables with a small number of records. Thank you for watching.